Hey guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up all of our groceries that we're gonna have from Walmart through the grocery pickup service that I absolutely love. Every week I share with you what we're having. I have our meal plan written down and I share with you all the groceries that I have. So this week I was under budget, but it was really close. I was at $198. You know, if you've been around my channel, I like to stay around $200 per week. So Walmart has really great value of their items, so I do all my grocery shopping at Walmart. So I'm going to show you everything we got for the week for my family of 4, and I will show you the meal plan as well. Okay, so here are all of the groceries, $198 for this week. So I will start over on this side. Lots and lots of fruit this week. I got strawberries, blueberries, frozen strawberries for smoothies. Over here is a ton of apples. I got 14 apples this week. We just go through so many. And I've been getting the Pink Lady apples. They are delicious. So giant bag of apples. The little cutie mandarin oranges, they're delicious. So a big bag of these. And bananas for the week. So tons of fruit. I got some sliced turkey. I got little Hawaiian rolls, so some sliced turkey for those. Little baby carrots for snacks, super delicious. I got a big bag of this brown and serve sausage. This is the maple flavor, the Vermont maple, and it's really good. Benjamin loves this for breakfast right now, so big bag of that. Our milk for the week, I get whole milk for the kids for their cereal. Some vanilla Greek yogurt. I got a pizza. We have not had frozen pizza in a while, and we have one busy night this week that we'll pop that in for. I got some cream cheese, and I've been getting this 2-pack because it's a better value, better deal than getting just one at a time. So 2-pack of cream cheese. I got some shrimp. I've really been craving shrimp lately. We eat a ton of salmon, but wanted to add some shrimp for this week. So I always get raw shrimp. This is peeled and deveined, and it comes in so many different sizes. So this is the medium little shrimps. Had an onion back here, Italian seasoning. I got this butter chicken simmer sauce. I'm gonna do a butter chicken in the crock pot this week. I had been really wanting to make it, so they didn't have the seasoning that I wanted to make the sauce myself. So this is super easy though. They already have the sauce already made, butter chicken simmer sauce. So excited for that. I'm gonna add to the sauce something. So I got tomato sauce, evaporated milk. The onion will go in that as well. So I have a thing of peanut butter. Benjamin eats a ton of peanut butter sandwiches. 2 things of almond milk this week so we can stock up. A big thing of barbecue sauce for chicken sandwiches. I got some lettuce. I absolutely love salads. So a thing of lettuce for salads. Broccoli is our favorite veggie. My kids love broccoli. It's Zachary's favorite veggie for sure. Big bag of shredded cheese. I got a cucumber. I got these mozzarella pearls, and I love these. So they're little mozzarella balls, and they're perfect for appetizers, for caprese appetizers. Already ready to go in the little ball. So convenient. I've actually never even kind of like balled fresh mozzarella cheese before, because this way is just so easy, and they're really yummy too. Great for snacking. 2 things of 18-pack eggs. We go through a ton of eggs. Shredded mozzarella cheese. I got this jerky. We're going on a little road trip soon, so jerky is the best on road trips. I got this exact same one over Thanksgiving when we took a train ride, and it was really, really good. So thought I'd get it again for our next road trip coming up. Lots of avocados this week. Some Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to do, like I said, sliders with the turkey and cheese. Pistachios is our favorite snack for sure. I send them to school with my kids in little baggies. It's the only snack they want right now. So I got this cranberry juice. It's just cranberry. There's no added anything, no added sugar. It's 100% premium cranberry juice. So been doing a lot of these apple cider vinegar drinks. They are so good for detoxing, really good for bloating and digestion. So apple cider vinegar, add in cranberry. And oh, this over here, this is Splenda Zero. So a little splash of this with the cranberry and the apple cider vinegar makes it so delicious, and it's really great for detoxing. So definitely try and do a lot of detoxing, especially right now. It's still kind of the beginning of the year, so making lots of these drinks, so good. This is the bread that Benjamin likes for his peanut butter sandwiches. It's like a soft honey wheat, but it's super soft. So some of that. Some chopped walnuts. My husband puts these in his yogurts, and he puts walnuts, blueberries, and his Greek yogurt as a snack. And then our chicken for the week. We go through a pack of chicken every week. So these are the groceries on everything we're going to have this week. And here is, I just write out the meal plan and kind of can switch days here and there if we want, but I'm going to do the crock pot butter chicken that I said I'm super excited about. Monday I'm going to do a ground beef casserole. I got last week a big thing of ground beef that I put in the freezer, so have that. I'm going to do shrimp on Tuesday. Wednesday I'm going to do chicken and rice soup. It has been super rainy and really cold here actually in California. So I've definitely been going to be using the crock pot a lot this week, and soup just sounds so awesome. Thursday, I'm going to do salmon rice bowl. I have some salmon in the freezer. I like to get a whole bunch and freeze it. So got salmon rice bowl that night. Friday, I'm going to do this crock pot. It's called Marry Me Chicken, and it is really good. It has sun-dried tomatoes in it, which are definitely my favorite. And then Saturday will be pizza night. So that is the meal plan. And like I said, we might switch around some days here and there, depending on our schedule. But that is the meal plan. And here are the groceries for the week. Hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you all in my next video.